Hi friends, today we're going to do these bracelets that are made with pop tops. Well, I hope you like the idea, and here's the step by step. Recicla conmigo. Te vas a divertir. Recycle with me. It will be fun. For this project, we're going to need the following supplies. La espiga nylon cord number 9, available in ericacreativa.com, and I ship within the United States and Puerto Rico. A crochet hook 2.25 millimeters, scissors, lighter, and pop tops. For my bracelet, I used 19 pop tops on each row, but I would suggest that you measure the bracelet to the wrist of the person that is going to wear it. Well, let's get started. We're going to join 2 rows at the same time. Grab 4 pop tops, and in this occasion I want this sharp part of the pop top to be the one that we're going to expose. I usually expose the soft side of the pop top and we align them accordingly. So but this time I want this to be the one that we will be exposing. So we're going to join them like this, and as you can see, these 2 pop tops are going in this direction while the other ones are in the opposite direction. Face them together, join them in the middle with 2 single crochet. One and 2. And to add the next pop tops, open the pop tops to make sure that the next ones are going to be positioned in the right place. So I'm positioning the one behind the previous one and the other one on top of the previous one, so they go in the same direction. And once I make sure of that, I'm going to join them with 2 single crochet again, obviously to the rest of the pop tops. One and 2. And the same thing, get another one and put it under this one, and this row is going to go under, while the other one is going to go on top of the previous pop top of this row. And once we make sure of that, we're going to close and join them. Open, and yes, everything is fine. We're in the right track. And again, get another one on this row. This one goes on the top while the other one goes under the previous one. Okay. And once we make sure of that, we're going to close them and join them. Follow the same process with the rest of the pop tops. So I'm going to use 19 pop tops on each row, and I already have all the pop tops that I need. Close the pop tops in a circle, and we have to make sure that we're following the same pattern as the other pop tops. So this one, the last one, is going to be on top of the first one, and the other one as well is going to be on top of the last one. And then finish joining them with 2 single crochet. 1 and 2, and close with the slip stitch. Open the pop tops and do 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, and bring them to these pop tops and do 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. Go to the next pop tabs and same thing, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and the next 1 and 2, and the next ones 2 single crochet as well, 1 and 2, and we will do 2 single crochet on all of the pop tabs until we get here. I already got to the end and we're going to close with a slip stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and do a slip stitch on the next stitch, and again chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and a slip stitch on the next stitch. Again 1, 2, 3, and a slip stitch on the next stitch, and one more time, 1, 2, 3, and a slip stitch on the next stitch. And we will be doing this step throughout the entire round until we get here. Once we finished, we're going to cut the cord, hide the excess cord, and burn the ends. After that, repeat the same step on the other side. And this is the finished bracelet. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Follow me on Facebook. You can find me as Erika Creativa, because we have classes, live classes on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Saturdays. And also, if you need any supplies, don't forget that you can visit my online store at erikacreativa.com. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.